Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. So today we are gonna make dum gosht. For dum gosht we are taking 1 kg of beef, 1 cup yogurt, 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, nutmeg mace powder, salt to taste or salt 1 tablespoon, cumin powder it's about 1 tablespoon, red chili powder it's about 3 teaspoons, allspice powder it's about 1 tablespoon, poppy seeds it's 3 tablespoons, coriander powder it's about 2 tablespoons, lemon juice 3 tablespoons, sesame seed 1 tablespoon, 8 to 9 almonds, and desiccated coconuts which is called copra, it's about 1 tablespoon. So first we have to grind these 3 ingredients. Take a jar, take a dry mill, now I'm gonna grind it. So take a bowl, firstly add yogurt, lemon juice, coriander powder, poppy seeds, cumin powder, red chili powder, allspice powder, turmeric powder, nutmeg mace powder, it's about half teaspoon, salt, ginger garlic paste. Here I'm taking some papaya paste. First we have to, I'm taking here 4 tablespoons. So our beef will get tender completely. It will get soft. Now add the powder that we grinded. Now mix it well. It's completely mixed now. We have to marinate it for an hour. So now let's cook. Add oil. Oil is enough hot. I'm gonna add 2 large onions, sliced. We have to brown it. So now as you can see our onions is enough brown, and I'm gonna add the beef, our marinated beef. Mix it. After mixing, add 1 cup of water. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Then we will cover it on the low flame. We will cook for 1 hour. So now it start boiling. So we will cover it. Cook it on the low flame for 1 hour. Now our beef is ready. It's completely tender, as you can see. Now we have to give it a smoke. Cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is our final look of dum gosht. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.